Morning. You hungry? Let's go cook something. Yeah, so we're gonna cook some eggs, right? Very easy, very simple. Just need a pan, gas stove, eggs, and seasoning of your choice. So this morning we'll do 3 eggs, sunny side up, with a little bit of butter, some sumac, and of course some salt for seasoning. So you can be quite generous with the butter. It's a nice little hack. So watch the butter. If it starts to turn a little bit brown, you can turn down your heat slightly. And we can see a little bit of brown. This is the milk solids. And then we add in the eggs. You see the eggs are not really bubbling up, and this is good. This is what we're looking for. Season. A little bit of salt. Cover. And then let it sit for a few minutes. So let's check the eggs. There we go. This is soft eggs. You can see the whites nicely cooked there. If you want it a little bit harder eggs, then just keep the lid on for another minute or 2. But for me, this is what I'm looking for. I like my eggs nice and runny. Get some of that nice olive oil and butter on there. Season a little bit again. And then we're going to finish off with a little bit of sumac, just to give a nice little bit of sweet, sour touch. And voila, we have a very easy breakfast. Bit of Arabic bread, you're good to go, ready for your drive.